前はもう死んでいる。
Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I use my OnData Flash Pro, mainly to do some data logs. Before getting any further with this video, I just want to make clear that I don't recommend anyone with no experience to use this on your own, especially when mapping cars with this. I mean, you don't want to mess up with fueling or air. Please, that's not my intention on this video. I just want to show you guys why I used OnData Flash Pro and the reasons that actually took me to Pi 1. The reason why I do data logs is to make sure that the car is running as it's supposed to do, and if I'm not happy with something, then I'll ask a professional to basically address my queries. At the moment I'm using a base map which is based on the Group N map, and the main reason I'm using this map is because once I installed my RRC manifold and my hybrid racing Kai, the car basically would not idle properly, wouldn't hold the revs. There's other softwares that you can use and they are way much better and more updated than the OnData Flash Pro, but for what I needed and from what I will need, I decided to go with Flash Pro. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to demonstrate how to upload a map to the ECU. The first thing you want to do is basically connect the OnData Flash Pro to the OBD and the USB lead to your computer. You want to open the map file, and bear in mind this is one way of actually uploading a map to the ECU. I'm gonna show the other way to do it. So the next thing you want to do is to put the key to the second position, so before starting the car. Right, this is one of the things that may happen when you're trying to upload a file. So if there's not enough voltage, the Flash Pro will give you a warning saying they don't recommend you to upload the file. I think you need to have more than 12 volts for this to work. I'm aware that my battery is not great and it might need replacing. So that's one of the things you want to check before actually installing a map. So basically, if you want to flash the ECU, you go to the Flash Pro. Just ignore the name of the file that is on actually the Flash Pro, because you are uploading through the file that you just opened, and then just click upload. It will start upload the file, and the other way you can see it is through the revs counter that also should start going up. There you go, you start getting some signs and everything. Don't worry, that's just normal. Is literally loading up the file, and as you can see, the rev counter is going up and is basically showing the percentage of the file that has been loaded. There we go. And then I'll show you when we hit 4,000. Oh, I think it's 4,000. That is 50%, because we are 9,000 revs. So as you can see, we are now half the way through the process, and it's still It's still loading the map. It's a bit of a slow process. I know that other kind of programs like ECUtech and stuff like that is a bit faster, but it is what it is. I mean, the Flash Pro is now what, 10 years old, something like that. So, but in my opinion, it still works fine. So we are almost 100% done. There we go. Gives you another sign. The Flash Pro will tell you that the upload has succeeded. Okay, so all you have to do now is recircle unit, and what I'm gonna do is start the data log to make sure that everything is fine. Again, to start a data log, you need to connect to the ECU first using the F10, and then you can start recording using F9 or this button here. So we are now recording, so I'm gonna hit the start button, and basically we are waiting for any errors. So as you can see, we are now logging, and ideally what we should do, or what I suggest to do, is to go for a drive. Obviously let the car warm up a bit, don't engage the VTEC for the first 10-15 minutes, and then try to do a third gear pull, and let's say it at 20 miles per hour, and obviously do this within the speed limit. And all you need to do then is just check your logs and see if there's any part of the actual pull that doesn't seem correct. So once you have enough data, or if you're happy with everything, all you need to do is to stop data logging and stop the connection, and just go to file, you go to data log, then you click save as, and then let's call it test YouTube, and that will save you as a data log. So next time you open that file, it will be as a data log only. So yeah, don't forget after doing a data log to save the file, otherwise you'll lose all the data. And that's pretty much it. So we just need to go for a run and see if there's anything wrong with it.